Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Angry Birds on your PC. Many players want to enjoy this beloved game on a bigger screen with more precise controls. We will explore several straightforward methods to get you flinging birds in no time. Get ready to experience the fun gameplay and vibrant graphics of Angry Birds right from your desktop, enhancing your gaming experience significantly. One of the most common ways to play is by using an Android emulator. Simply download and install a trusted emulator, such as BlueStacks or LD Player, onto your computer. Once installed, sign in with your Google account to access the Google Play Store. From there, you can easily search for and install various Angry Birds titles, just as you would on a mobile device, bringing the full mobile experience to your PC. Beyond emulators, you can find Angry Birds 2 available directly on the Microsoft Store for Windows, offering a native PC experience. Additionally, some browser-based versions exist, providing a quick way to play without any downloads. For those seeking nostalgic titles, certain older PC versions of Angry Birds games can sometimes be located and installed from online archives, though availability may vary. To truly enhance your Angry Birds experience on PC, consider a few tips. Using a mouse offers significantly more precise aiming than a touchscreen, improving your slingshot accuracy. If using an emulator, adjust its settings to optimize graphics and ensure smooth performance. Always check that your computer meets the game's minimum system requirements for the best possible and most enjoyable gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.